Chiang Mai Thai video shop reporting for you here. Legal Thai Road, Chiang Mai Thailand. Rainy season. Flip the camera. We were 2 minutes late. Almost reached the shop because I need my nails done. I have to change some money here at the ATM, and somebody pulled the switch. You open the water flow, and that's your rainy season. Ah, that must be the switch over there. Can I close it? Oh, looking handsome like this. This helmet is too small, huh? Oh, my head is too big. My wife says my head is too big, but that's the thing of discussion. I have to buy something else. Looking like some Dutch comic comedian guy from the 70s. Yeah, so this is Chiang Mai in rainy season, and that's why it's low season. Low season will be less low when the holiday starts in Europe and when the winter starts in Australia and New Zealand. Then we have a semi-high season for 6 weeks. We don't have anything. Chiang Mai has a semi-high season. Now we forgot our plastics. It's not that far to the shop, I think. No, because here we are at the massage parlor. That's the big hotel. What's the name of the hotel? Shangri-La Hotel. Here. So this road is, I don't know. Look at maps. Chiang Mai in the rainy season, July 2023. Chuck reported for you. Oh, you don't recognize me with the helmet. It's me, Chuck. Yeah, most time it doesn't last that long. Still you're wondering, why don't you wear your plastic? Yeah, we forgot our plastic. And then you're wondering why you go out so early. Yeah, because I need my hair done. But it's a different view, different roads, different streets. The only thing is there's nothing to see. So the thing is, Pimmy is afraid to drive in the rain with me in the back, with 100 kilos extra weight in the back. Yeah. We just fill, and then the rain stops. So I proposed that I would go walking, and she can wear. It's a fancy plastic. It's not a cheap one. It's real serious plastic. And probably the rain will stop. And I go just walking because I'm not in a hurry. Yes, so I will be walking. This video will be longer than you would ever expect. That's Thailand. Now wondering how much it will take me. Yes, I will do. Yeah, so I found myself a plastic, and then the rain became less and almost stopped. So yeah, Chiang Mai rainy season. Thank you for watching. Just like and subscribe. We're here at our favorite corner. Wait for the next video. It's about the corner. No, it's about the soy. It's about soy. Over there. Wait for the next video. Like and subscribe, and I see you later. I see you later.